Well, good morning, everyone. It's Donna. How are you doing? So, I have the banner kind of sewn together, and as you can see, the yellow is going to be the backing. And I've just sewn a quick line around here because I didn't want any of these panels coming apart because I sewed them together with a little bit longer stitch length. But that's okay. There, it's about to be all put together. I've got to cut my binding strips and put it on, but I do believe this thing. Let me show you from the beginning all the way up here. I do believe that it will be hanging on my door today. And it's so funny because we've had some warm weather and we had a little bit of a cold snap come through, but we're going to be, I don't know, in the 60s or so again today. I think we're going to be in the 70s tomorrow, but then tomorrow night we're supposed to get to a very hard freeze, like down in the 20s with the wind chills, I don't know, in the low teens or something. And I don't think Monday is going to be very high either. My daylilies are up, and my peonies, I just noticed them coming up. It's about a foot tall, so I don't know if it's going to survive. So I hope so. I only have the one plant, and it's been here 25 years, I do believe, was when that thing was planted, and it's still alive. But I hope it survives enough that I get a flower this year. It was absolutely gorgeous last year. But let me show you this again. And the next time you see it, it will be all put together um, and finished. But I am extremely happy with the progress thus far. So I'll probably add something on to the end of this to show it completed. I'm not going to show me like cutting the bindings or putting it on or anything, but it's just so spring, and I am so ready. I'm tired of the cold weather this year. And speaking of that, I mean, when I was talking about the cold coming in and it getting down in the 20s, yeah, our winds, we're going to have wind gusts up to 50 to 60 miles an hour coming from the north out of this. So it's going to be a fun time. Anyway, I will talk to you later. Bye. As you can see, it is finished now as far as being sewn together. I do have a string at the top, but I can't really hang it up with it because there's nothing to currently keep it broad. So I'm going to have to get another dowel in there and then put the string through the dowel and have it hanging from the dowel. But it is finished. I really, really wanted to get it put up today, but since we've got this hard freeze coming in, I think I'm going to wait a little bit because it's kind of hard to want to welcome that stuff in when I'm wanting to welcome spring. Anyway, and that's it, and I'm calling this one done. I will talk to you later. You have a fabulous day. Bye.